Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Let's look into the structural bond of various polysaccharides. So first one is amylose starch. Amylose starch, it includes an unbranched chain that is of alpha 1,4 and glycosidic linkage of glucose. It has a hollow helix. It's a glycosidic linkage of glucose. Next is the amylopectin. Amylopectin is again the alpha 1,4 and a linkage with the alpha 1,6 with alpha 1,6 glycosidic linkage, and every 24 to 30 glucose molecule, and it has a hollow helix. Next is the glycogen. So what is the glycogen? The glycogen is, it has alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkage with an alpha 1,6, that is very similar, and branches every 8 to 12. So 8 to 12 it branches, glucose molecule and hollow helix is present. Next, moving on to the cellulose. So here in cellulose is unbranched beta 1,4. So cellulose is where the beta comes in. So there is a beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage of glucose, and it is very linear. Next comes the chitin. So chitin is unbranched beta 1,4 glycosidic linkage, and this is nothing but of N-acetyl glycosamine. So chitin is N-acetyl. So other things we saw was glucose molecule. Here it is linkage of N-acetyl glucosamine. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.